Obia okasa bebre. Obia okasa bebre. Big yano. Hwini ni trim. Atente huro kwa. Nyansa say, I thought your name is smart. Anka obetu mrantiafo. Baka papa chromo. They have won the election. What next? Sa branch betena se. Na GM friend se be can national security no. Period. Wama abefo afa wo so. Eku obi abrantie. Se me all kokra no. Anya ne person obeko. Just that or born mrantie keke. No ahwe omo so. Because you papa no ahwe brantie na or you well known or your bob be born homodin. So what do you so? Captain Smart, what do you sasa? What do you so? Uti gun hand like big. I say obedient me. I say ukwana beba ha. Obete. E mara Ghana o. Uti me create anything in this country.
Medofo Captain Kwajo Smart abeye video bi ato social media ne so nyanne ene oye video no emre kakra ni na eno enam so ema Obuasi ne mpotemu hode obi a de so bo ebo Captain Kwajo Smart se wono nsem a wo kan no ewo Onua TV ne nam so ama emabunu no akwakwo wura sa atibia ni mu a enei ebi deda mochwe na ebi so da hospital eje yarehwe ensem we ba ya pe na Ghana fo bi twem se NDC for sabi wo mo ya niema bi a ase wo mo ya pese wo mo kase Captain Kwajo Smart ansha da anya ade nuti no ene Ghana fo bi hu ne se NDC fo ya dane wo machi ade ama Captain Smart esan se dodo na ba bonte kan se ensem wa Captain kan ye ene nam so ma mabunu no akwa wuramu yen ka se wo mo nya sa ade illegal mining ne ade ayekoso nanso se wo bi aba bonte abeka ho asem nuti no dodo na ede wo mo nsa atene Captain Kwajo Smart eso aha etu ma GH so mesrew afi no hu mi obe subscribe ya like me video no wa share so ade ama me na ko bell ne so se be ya video bi ato ma obetumi anya bi ahwe na wanya bi atie adofunum se ye Ryan sam ni mu asade me kan ye no Captain Kwajo Smart ebegina Onua TV ade nsem bi tudwa na dodo na hu ne se enunti ana amene wo ye ne kase a na no ade si e wo Obuasi ne important wo no aba se wanya video ni bi ahwe ne wanya nsem a Captain kan ni bi atia na abotire ne enkonkwohwe video ne mra ne ba ensam dodo na ena ye de beto ase
se Ghana mebu na mo wo Obuasi kwa amenenim ho munji bum ko obi anko pe de akom de na onya obedi o obi anko abodam munko listen say AGA no let me tell you if you guys don't take care we will chase you out of this country I swear. More careful, we will chase you out of this country. Because listen, move it to the cyanide hole, almost 100 meters square, aqua to South Africa. Baby, move it to me. Cyanide square, 100 meters square, Sami and San, to South Africa now. Na nye ti bonko som panifo edi en so na bona ana se bona yenum di en so ebe de na nipa betwa niama wenum mo betime ya South Africa enu ni ade a me pese na na do te ase Minister of Lands and Natural Resources te ase se AGA say Obuasi and the youth of Obuasi rise. Most sorry. If you say when you go to the Mpandi dia, ebe kakra ukwati bewu.
Adeshe nsema Captain Kwajo Smart kan ye enti dodo na appoint wo mon side ya twa no so se eye wono ansema wo kan ye enti ene ma asa wo ye ne eba ye ebinum so kire mu aye behwe ye wusu ye sa se kasa bi wo ho na ye kan ye hu ne se ye kan tira na nso ebetumi ade wo how kase aba ensem ye chi dodo na ye reactions towards ensem Captain ebe kan ye no na we na NDC pani ba ko eye Ras Mubarak nso eze nanum nsem atu dwa na wo tro saa statement we abeto social media no na Ghana for bi kan say NDC for da ne wo meche de ama Captain Kwadwo Smart san say ye hwa ho fama ne ntokwa wo kon ye de ma saa party ya na wo munim say sembi kra betumi aba ama ye NDC for aka de ama ye Captain Smart na ensem Ras Mubarak de tu dwa de fa ye saa nsem we hu no say place the blame of the very unfortunate event in Obuasi squarely at the doorsteps of Onua TV, which allowed its platform to be used to incite violence by one of its staff. We've come a long way and must not, in the name of the speech, allow media houses to be used as vessel to incite violence. We can't live in a country with such wanton indiscipline. Now we ya ba ye Ghana nya na ne ba ye enu nti no ye ntena se e ma se obi anu mukasa e ma mebo o men ya fe was say perjury and any other act of lawlessness must have no place in Ghana. As we all want, we sit aloof at our own peril. Natures and somewhere Ras Mubarak edi baba tu dwa e na yakwa kan edi aba no and somewhere nyina echi no Ghana for bi so I start say your reactions towards it na Ghana ni ba kwa ba cancel mo no so the research direct to air Captain Kwadwo Smart yentie wono so asem wo kan
obi a okasa bebre obi a okasa bebre gbegbegbegbegbegbegbegbegbe ya no hwini ni trim atente huro kwa nyansa say I thought your name is Smart anka obetu mrantiefo ba cancel papa chromo they have won the election. What next? Sabranti betina se na GM afre no se be national security no period wama abefo afa wo so ekum obi abranti the same no okokra no anya ne person obeko just that okobone mranti no keke no ahwe omo so because you papa no ahwe abranti na oye well known oye bob bi obon ho modern so what you ni so Captain Smart, what you ni sasa what you ni so uti Ghana na big ase obi antimi ase ukwa na be ma ha wo bete e mara Ghana o utimi create anything in this country.
Whatever goes around actually comes around. Yes, the sad event that occurred at Obuasi today was caused by Captain Smart. The event was caused by Captain Smart. Just watch this video.
Ghana mebuna mo Obuasi kwa menenim ho. Munji bum ko. Obi anko pe de akom de na onya obedi o. Obi anko. Abodam. Munko. Listen, say AGA, no, let me tell you, if you guys don't take care, we will chase you out of this country, I swear.
Yes, that is Captain Smart. He's the one that incited the youth that they should go and take over the place. He incited the youth that they should go and take over the place. Again, the NDC parliamentary candidate too is another factor. That was his campaign message, that they will help the youth to get portion of AJ land and do their mining. So when you study the NDC campaign, all the macho men, all those who are doing themselves that they are killers, all of them were supporting NDC. Now they have won the elections. Captain Smart and co have incited them that they should go because their government is in power. They should go and take over the place. Now look at what has happened. Young, energetic youth just lost their lives because of commentary from somebody like Captain Smart that don't agree, go and take over the place. This guy is out there doing his business. This is one of the stomach direction journalists in Ghana. He's only doing his business. Then the youth out there, this should be a lesson. Don't watch that guy and take his words serious. He's doing his business. He's playing with politicians. If he realizes that NDC, this party is going to lose, then he'll jump here and go and do his business there and take his money. Wait and see, 2028, when it's getting closer, then he realizes that NDC is going to lose. Quickly, he will jump to MPP. Yes, and the foolish part is that the party people to start giving him money. So that is what he has been doing. Look at what he has just caused. You have incited this young man to go and die just like that.
Adehye nsɛm a brantia no nso de betu dwa eno no yetie ni nyina nti ye besere sa ha ne de besi dia na ye ma obi akwan se obetimi a kyerɛ na adwene ɛwɔ nsɛm yi ho brana be kyerɛ wa adwene ɛwɔ nsɛm yi ho na afei no de opesa wo kan bia no kan ye nkyerɛkyerɛ mu ne ye mpɛpɔ besi brɛ mfama no aha ye too much GHS so mesere so obe subscribe wa like ya share videos no enso dia ma me ma remfi so be bobel ne so se be ya video bi atoma obetumi anya bi ahwɛ na wanya bi atie edwa so hima na meje so ye all the social media platforms in eso macro